Sapphire Textile Mills, a symbol of scale, quality, and commitment to innovation in Pakistan's textile industry. With large-scale production comes the challenge of managing consistently high energy demand. As energy prices continued to rise, the need for a smarter, more reliable solution became undeniable. DSG Energy stepped in with a customized solar solution aligned with Sapphire's operational and environmental goals. Our engineering team executed the seamless installation of a 1 megawatt on-grid solar power plant. The system is equipped with Huawei inverters and top-tier solar modules to ensure efficiency, safety, and long-term performance. The system is integrated with real-time monitoring, ensuring optimal energy generation every day. These panels now work silently above, turning every ray into power, every day into productivity. Powered by DSG Energy,